जो आपने भेजा था वही वाला है?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ जैसे क्वेश्चन आंसर का टैब जो मिसिंग था ना पिछले बार, वो है इस
हाँ,
बार। पोल
ठीक
के
है।
क्वेश्चन आंसर का टैब है।
ठीक
ठीक है, आपको मैंने फोटो भेजी, देखो।
है। आ गया क्वेश्चन आंसर, ठीक है।
है ना? पोल में पोल का क्वेश्चन चेंज नहीं हुआ है।
आपने भेजा था वही वाला है?
नहीं
ठीक
नहीं
है, तो आप
नहीं नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ जैसे क्वेश्चन आंसर का टैब जो मिसिंग था ना पिछले बार, तब क्वेश्चन आंसर जो पोल है ना, पोल के 4 क्वेश्चन पुराने वाले हैं। अभी मैं वीडियो प्ले कर रहा हूँ अब। ठीक है।
ठीक है।
अमित सर रेडी हो ना? मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ हाँ, स्टार्ट कर दो आप।
हाँ।
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Digital Doobie Forum brought to you by Tata Tele Business Services. This is Anil Chape, your host for the day, and I hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself and your family. Rubik Forum is a learning and awareness platform where we try and address few of the most critical technology subject and bring forth an opportunity to interact with technology and solution experts. With a changing digital ecosystem at work, it is necessary for organizations to stay ahead of competition, continue to drive better customer experience, be resilient, agile, and adaptive. While work gets smarter, customer experiences are getting reimagined, becoming more dynamic, personalized, interactive, and engaging, rethinking the flow of connectivity. And we, as a Tata Tele Business Services, is committed to work closely with organizations of all sizes, by bringing new and innovative solutions which reduce the gap between businesses and customer and drive better efficiency. In this pursuit, today we have brought an interesting topic, especially for business and IT leaders like you. The topic will help us to understand the importance of bringing technology in customer communication space and how a right solution can raise a bar in driving raw customer experiences and changing face of cybersecurity, enterprise security risk, driver of cybersecurity and key systems. So before the session start, I would like to take the opinion of yours via poll. So I would request all the attendees to please visit polls tab available on the screen at right side. There you will be able to find 4 poll questions. I would request all the attendees to please participate in the poll. The first poll is, what are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? What are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? Digital transformation, COVID disruptions, availability of finance, business continuity and operational resiliency, business growth and expansion. We have 10 seconds to vote for this poll. I would request each of the participants to please give your valuable opinion for the poll. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second poll is, what are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? Hiring meet demand, upgrading technology, software and hardware, upgrading infrastructure like internet, cloud, connectivity, and other telecom solutions, operations, marketing and sales. I would request each of the attendees to please give your valuable opinion to the poll. We have 10 seconds. Third poll is, which of the following Tata Tele services offering are you aware? Which of the following Tata Tele services offering are you aware of? Collaboration solutions, for example, Zoom, web conferencing solutions, Smart Flow, IoT solutions for fleet assets and vehicle tracking, connectivity solutions for data and voice, these like MPLS, PRI, SIP trunk, toll free, etc. Cloud and SaaS, security solutions. We have 10 seconds to vote for this poll. Fourth poll is, what is your source of information while choosing a technology product and services for your company? First one is online, for example, Google search, blogs, forum, website, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. Offline through newspaper, magazines, peer reviews, events and webinars, and if any other options. I would request each of the participants to please give your valuable feedback. We have 10 seconds to go for this poll. Thank you so much for the participating in polls. So before starting the session, I would like to set some house rules. This session will be for next 45 minutes, followed by the question and answer. And all the attendees will be on mute and listen mode only. And if you have any query during the sessions, on the right side on your screen, Q&A button is available. You can put your queries in that particular box. We will take each of the questions after the session. So without taking much time, now I would quickly introduce you to our eminent speaker, Mr. Amit Chadda, Senior Manager, Marketing, Tata Tele Business Services. And I would request him to please take the session ahead. Over to you, Amit sir.
So thank you, Anil. Hope my voice is clear and video is visible.
Yes, sir. It is audible and visible.
Yeah, thank you. So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amit Chadda, and I will be taking you to modern enterprise connectivity and other technological solutions. So this is basically a challenging time, and every organizations are facing big time challenges to improve their operational efficiencies and growth. Also, the economy of organizations are disturbed due to this pandemic. But during this pandemic, telecom companies are playing a very critical role and enabling you to run your business efficiently during work from home, or you can say work from anywhere. And Tata Tele Business Services is one of them. So I start with basically a quote: in the long history of humankind, those who learn to collaborate and improvise most efficiently have prevailed, said by Charles Darwin. You learn, you live, you evolve. Products need to evolve in order to meet the arising needs of the market. So agenda for the session would be I will be taking about technological landscape, SME landscape, challenges faced by SMEs, smart solutions by Tata Tele Business Services, followed by Q&A if any. So we basically we have hear it often, and it's so often that we have stopped paying attention to it. So basically, you must have heard like the only thing that is constant is change, and we have heard it often, and it's so often that we have stopped paying attention to it. So I have added one more phrase to it called as disruption. So now the only thing that is constant is change and disruption. So basically, what are the things what is happening to SMEs? So basically, key technologies trend that is enabling agility for SMEs include BCP, that is business continuity plan, cloud solutions, and security. So most of the SMEs are going to security and cloud solutions. So redefining the business continuity plan, that is BCP. So one is lower business interruption cost, what companies is looking for according to plan, resume their operations immediately, fulfill regulatory compliance, security is crucial, and create an integrated risk management system. So business challenges which were there due to COVID pandemic was like business challenges like employee tracking. When we talk about employee tracking, it is keeping a track of employee to follow work from home protocol, collaborations, unable to connect distance team members face to face, unable to connect to the customers face to face. Then we have accessibility to servers and applications as unable to access official data, public server applications. So physical travel to office, iMobile. So we are not unable to, access office infrastructure, lack of security services, accessibility to voice infrastructure, unable to access PBX infra, voice regulation, and you're basically you must be missing your desk phones as well. It isn't disruption if you're ready for it. Disruption is coming. The difference between panic and poise is preparation. By going digital, you give your organization the ability and agility to turn disruption into opportunities. So earlier, the companies who were you can say digital, who were using digital means were very less impacted rather than the company who were not having any digital presence. So digital adoptions by Indian SMEs. So smart digital adoption is the key to unlocking the full business potentials of SMEs and SMBs. That is 43% of the SMEs use various internet platforms to sell and promote themselves. 75% of the SME believes that digital adoption is the key to their success in India. 73% of the Indian SMBs are confident about bouncing back post COVID, and that's how. So, what you are waiting for? So, simple 5 guidelines on technology for SME. So, first is rent it, do not own it. Obsolescence is a huge burden. Technology is not a real estate that will appreciate. So just giving you an example of a simple mobile. If we go to a shop and purchase a mobile, and we often see that after every 15 days or 1 month, a new mobile, a new brand is coming up with a new mobile. Okay, But once you have taken the mobile and when you are going back and selling the mobile, you are not getting the full price of that particular mobile. So same happens with the hardware part as well as with the software as well. So best would be rent it, do not own it unless and until it is very critical for you, because technology keeps on updating, it keeps on changing. Second is select fit for purpose versus scale down large solutions. SME needs are unique and simple. SME business process evolve constantly. Bill as you grow, pay as you use. Unused capacity is costly. Use your capex to grow your core business. Look for integrated solution versus silos of product. In general, the cost of integration is 10x the cost of the product, and owners will be on us or you to ensure everything fits together. And last but important, that is ensure there is support. And as IT talent is expensive, and you should ensure that support is linked to your spends and it is not as a fixed cost. So these are the simple 5 guidelines on technologies for SMEs. So smart solutions. So smart solution, what does it mean to you? So basically, smart solutions are provided by Tata Tele Business Services. Tata Tele Business Services and their strengths. We have 60,000 plus connected buildings. 1,60,000 field visits are done by partner managers. 1,25,000 kilometer of optical fiber. 1,000 plus strong enterprise team we have. 40,000 plus business customers we have. 1,500 plus channel partner team. 60 plus cities we are present in. So 1,25,000 of the optic fiber, which is very useful in connecting the SMEs. And all the SMEs or all the SMEs in this forum can be connected through the fiber network as well. So we have a very good coverage for the same. So moving on to the product portfolio. So basically in terms of product portfolio, we have everything. So like we have bucketed the product portfolio into classifications like connectivity. We have internet lease lines, MPLS, VPN lease lines, L2 multicast, smart office, PRI, SIP, MPLS, VPN, smart internet, ultra LoRa. Security, this we have recently added in work from home scenario, that is email security, endpoint security, virtual firewall, web security. We have collaboration like document management systems, international bridging services, webcasting services, conferencing, and also we have now Zoom. We have done a partnership with Zoom as well. Again, for cloud and SaaS, we have managed hosting, prep test, secure connect, cloud CRM, hosted IVR, and co-location. In terms of marketing solutions, we have call register services, digital survey, hosted IVR, live chat solutions, SMS solutions, and toll-free services. In terms of IoT solutions, we have assets management, fleet management, school bus tracking, and workforce tracking. So this is the portfolio of Tata Tele Business Services. We want or we have all the products under one umbrella, that is TTBS umbrella. It is one-stop shop for the solution provider. So I'm not going to touch base on all the products. I'm going to touch base on few products which will be of your use in the current scenario. So first product is smart internet. So as the name suggests, smart internet. So this particular product, we have started smart internet considering work from home. So there were a lot of organizations, they were not able to access their office intranet during work from home because of the security reason. So we can provide end-to-end solutions wherein we will provision internet lease lines along with UTM, that is Unified Threat Management, along with the VPN client. Once the infrastructure is in place, then work from home users can access all their office intranet application to the same. So some of the features of smart internet are, it is one-stop solutions for all your need of bandwidth, manageability. It guarantees peace of mind in terms of financial and business benefits due to technical capability, uh, freedom from worries. Uh, it has like financial, you don't have to, it has zero capex, higher return of investment. It reduces your operation cost, better employee productivity, business continuity, work from home or work from field or work from anywhere, scale as per your business needs. And this is a future ready product. Product features, it is provided with secure VPN access, user authentication, manage security, and it is plug and play and ready to use service. So smart digital adoption is the key to unlocking the business potential of the SMEs. So basically, smart internet is bundled with UTM with no additional cost. It is cost effectively. It is cost effective. Affordable monthly rental starts with 249 per user. It is totally scalable, starting from 15 users, and you can go up to 5,000 users. It has wide range of bandwidth. It is available for all the bandwidth starting from 10 Mbps to 500 Mbps as a standard offering. It is feature rich with zero capex, no capex investment, and comes with the security of UTM. As I told you, it is plug and play, easy to install, and it supports your laptops, mobiles as well. So just give you a case study example of the company. So the company was Rayan company. So this is a basically operation management company which has a global presence across world, giving 14 by 7, 365 capabilities. And this they are into marine operations. They wanted reliable remote access solutions by which they can connect to their international clients as well as office locations in India to serve in timely manner. So we helped them, we provided them with our smart internet, which is a complete solution compromising of remote access, managed services, and security backed UTM. They evaluated our expertise in providing the cutting edge solutions in this space and deployed remote access for their employees to keep them update every minute for their customers. So this product was called as Smart Internet. So moving on to the next product, that is Smart Office. So Smart Office, as the name suggests, is one box solution for the business. So Smart Office is a one-stop shop for your office setup. So it consists of voice, data, storage, applications. So basically, in the current scenario, like this particular Smart Office box supports voice, data, Wi-Fi, office applications, business applications, firewall, toll-free number, conferencing, and also it is a IoT enabled box. So in the current scenario, setting up a new business or office is not easy. You require hardware for storage, you require data and information securities. You have to start with broadband and then you can upgrade it later depending upon the size of business you are having. Again, you require equipment, routers, Wi-Fi, PBX, and LAN. And also you require a best quality voice and data, which is getting expensive. You also require office business applications, which needs to be downloaded. And to manage all this, you require a specialized IT resource for the same. So Tata Teleservices come up with a solution that is a smart office, which is a value proposition. It is a one-stop shop solution for communication and application need. This is an integrated solution. You don't have to pay any capex and also AMCs. And this is a future-ready box. So with this box, you can use your voice, you can use your data, you can use voice, Wi-Fi, you can use office applications, you can use business applications, firewall, toll-free number, conferencing, and also this is a IoT enabled box. So smart office, basically smart office supports 96 telephone extensions, wherein 32 extensions are analog extensions, wherein you can connect your analog phone instrument, and rest 64 extensions are IP extensions. You can connect your IP phone also, whether it's a soft phone or a hard phone. So smart office value proposition, it is best of both the worlds. So basically you can use analog phones or also IP phones as well. Divert calling to least medium cost medium. So it reduces telecom cost for daily communication of any organizations. And choice of suppose like example of IP phone or analog, like the director might be requiring a video phone at his cabin, but you can use an analog phone at the security. So this will give you also a choice of cost reduction as well. This particular product, Smart Office, fulfills the need of new startups, SOHOs upgrading for broadband, new branch oblique setups, small offices which you are looking for, small SMEs, and businesses upgrading their legacy, that is hardware and software. So this particular product was known as Smart Office, This particular is very good for small, medium enterprises. Moving on to the next product, that is toll-free services. So toll-free services, basically there are two types of toll-free numbers available in India, starting from 1800 and 1860. So 1800 is a full toll-free number, while 1860 is a partial tier toll-free number. So we need to pay local call charges for the same. So there has been a TTL USP, that is providing iServe web portal, wherein you can route different kind of routings by your own, and you don't have to depend on TTL or any person for the same. So like call free, this is free for the customers, full cost to the company. The number series starts with 1800. Call local, the number series starts with 1860. It is local call cost to the customers and per minute as per agreement cost to the company. Some of the features are, it has geography based point of call routing. It gives you real time customized call treatment, immediate cascading of objectives, time based routing. It manages time and date distribution accurately. It optimizes call center and manpower costs. Proportional call distribution. It balances the call loads at various locations and optimizes call centers and manpower cost. Also, it has condition-based routing. Caller never hears a busy signal and no calls are missed. Customers are serviced for all 365 days. Pin-based routing, it gives customized treatment to each caller. It screens all the incoming calls and optimizes call center and manpower cost. So why to have our toll-free services or to have services from Tata Tele Business Services? First, we have a pan-India coverage. We provide 24 by 7 monitoring by our networking operating center and also our state-of-art digital network, which allows quick and easy rerouting during emergencies. So this particular product was toll-free services. So as you know, like earlier, enabling the communication setup was not easy in the time of pandemic, because the challenges were like, how do we set up a distributed call center quickly? How do we mask the calls of the employee calling clients from their personal numbers, as face-to-face interactions have reduced? How do we connect better with clients? As at the time of pandemic, earlier we used to have the mobile phones at our desk, but at the time of pandemic, we were working from home. We were not having mobile phones, and we were having mobile phones, but we don't want to call the clients from that particular mobile phone. So that was the challenge which was coming up. So we come up with a solution called as hosted IVR. So hosted IVR basically is a very good solution for work from home users. By using these solutions, you can make and receive calls during work from home. We can provide toll-free number or TN which our customers can dial, and call can be directly routed on the mobile phone. So generally this solution was used for customer care type of setup, but we have done some customizations and enable it for other segments as well for work from home scenario. So need for HIVR, basically it is work from anywhere. You can work from anywhere. It has better ROI than on-site, easy to scale, that is up or down, a number of lines you want, you can up and down, and also you get a complete report and compliance of the same. So hosted IVR or interactive voice response cloud is based voice application that allows business to efficiently connect with its customer. Like example, interactive voice response, press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, press 3 for billing. So hosted IVR setup. So basically this is a cloud-based IVR setup which can be set up within hours. So some of the it also has quickly set up a distributed call centers, hosted IVR, and agents can work from home. Some features are seamless customer connect. Agent can receive customer calls on their mobile while working from home. Termination numbers can be changed in few seconds on their own. Call hunting, call hunting to multiple agents. So if one is busy, other can answer the call. Analytics tracks team performance, call quality, missed call through real time analytics. This particular product is called as hosted IVR. So basically to give you a case study, so basically it was a IVR, a global design and engineering service company. So basically the problem statement was the company was looking to switch from their desk-based to cloud-based IVR to help their employees with IT issues in the new work from home scenario. So the solution which provided by TTBS is TTBS discovers that the system to provide support on 24/5 basis with two separate shift timings, that is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and evening 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. So this company was working in two shifts, that is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. So we provided the customers with separate call hunting groups number, that is morning shift. The call is routed to one group on and otherwise likewise for the evening on the same group. So deployment was fast and IVR to meet the customer's deadline. So benefits what the customer got was business continuity during lockdown, better employee satisfaction, and effective and cost effective solution. So this particular was called as hosted IVR. So international bridging. So this is a special solution for work from home users and the customers. If you are managing international projects or interacting with international projects, customers, sorry, international customers, then this is a best suitable solutions for you. This is end-to-end PSTN solutions, and you will get good voice quality for the same. So basically, the employees make international calls while working from home without any ISD packets. So again, some features are like it optimizes ISD cost, avoid purchase or prevent misuse of costly ISD minutes, secure calling. It has password protected ISD calling at employee level. It is simple to use and it has privacy, like protect privacy of employees' personal number by masking it on international calls. So moving on to the next product, that is called as Hosted OBD. So Hosted OBD is a platform wherein you can send or recorded voice message to a larger number of people. Generally, you have seen during this election time, you must have received a call and hear recorded message of any politician. So this is the same platform. Also, you can use this platform to take customer feedback after recorded messages. So this particular product, like hosted HOBD, is an automated outbound dialing solution on hosted platform that significantly reduces the turnaround time required to set up a customer experience business process, since the necessary infrastructure is available and it is ready to use. So some of the features of hosted OBD are: it is available as a web-based API. It has a campaign lifecycle management tool. It has online call flow designer to create and manage customized call flow. It has GTMF input integrations, and it also has DND management. Some of the business advantages for hosted OBD are: it has no capital investment, it has telco grade services, high reliability, it has a cloud solution, scalability on demand, and it has a professional services. So hosted OBD is the product. This product is basically used by banks, politicians, service industries, insurance companies, um, insurance companies, and then you can say ITS companies, and many more. So just to give you example of Asus, so basically the customer had a huge volume requirement for customer service and support and required to manage excessively large volume of incoming customer calls, that is 3,000 to 4,000 numbers. So the company was looking to switch from desk-based to cloud-based IVR to help their employees with IT issues in the work from home scenario. So the solutions which we provided or TTBS provided was toll-free lines for parallel business to manage call volumes, receiving calls anywhere from the country based on business process and requirement. Audio conferencing to provide a one-stop shop solution for all the collaboration needs of the company. Also, high-speed internet lease line was provided. So this particular product was known as hosted OBD, and it is very simple and easy to use. Moving on to the next product, that is security solutions. So basically, say security security is required while browsing net, while protecting your company servers, while checking emails, or you can say while working from home. So there has been a rise in cyber attacks since COVID-19 outbreak. So rise in cyber attack as most of the people are working from home. DSE also warns about cyber attacks amid coronavirus lockdown. And also Checkpoint researchers discovered that hackers are pushing coronavirus app to take over the Android devices as well. So why cybersecurity is required? It is required to protect your applications and hardwares. So we have full suite of cybersecurity solutions which can help you to protect your applications like email and hardwares like laptop, mobile phones, and servers. So basically, components of cybersecurity offering in terms of product, we have data security, we have endpoint, we have identity and access management, we also have network security. In terms of services, we have consulting, implementation, testing, operations, and incident response. So endpoint basically is very important. So basically, endpoint security is very important for every organization to protect their assets during work from home. So endpoint security can play a great role here. It is kind of an antivirus software, but it is more than a antivirus. It can also work as a soft firewall, and you can configure firewall policy to the same. Generally, in work from home, there is no firewall, or most of the people don't work on firewall. Hence, it is very effective. And also, this particular product is very cost effective as compared to others. So some ways of new ways of risk mitigations, or you can say new ways of working. One is accidental device misuse, user behavior, and next is always connected. So component of the security solutions is on the software application, analytics, administrative portal, and cloud hosting. In terms of software application, it is software, also multiple operating supports. Analytical, it is security reports, notification and alert. Administrative portal, it is policy management. You can view single view of health status of all the device you can view. And cloud hosting, you get a patch management and real-time discovery for the same. So product features basically device that are supported. It is Windows PC, desktop, laptop servers, Mac OS laptop, and Apple iOS smartphones, Android smartphones. So features or of that security products are basically like antivirus, anti-spyware, anti-ransomware, application control, component updates, data loss prevention, device control, firewall, full disk encryption, URL filtering, rule-based administration, and there are others as well. So this particular product is powered by Trend Micro. So we have done a partnership with Trend Micro for getting this product, that is endpoint security. So we are getting it through Trend Micro, and Trend Micro are the global leaders in enterprise data and security and cyber security solutions for business, data centers, cloud environment networks, and endpoint. So 10 micro, we have partnered with 10 micro because we want all the SMEs to get all the things whichever is required in IT space under one umbrella, that is TTBS umbrella. So a quick comparison with the other competitors. When I say do big, it is Tata Tele Business Services Security Solutions or Endpoint Security Solutions. So again, the rates are competitive and we are providing all the services and all the features are there which we are providing. So moving on to the next product. So basically, if we talk about, so endpoint security is very effective in case of work from home and BOID to protect your laptop, mobile phones, or computer system. So basically, that's the solution. Moving on to the next solution, that is smart flow. So smart flow, again, smart flow is basically a new product which we have recently uh, launched. So smart flow is basically our cloud telephony solution, which is 100% hosted solution, and there is no infrastructure required like EPBX and physical connectivity like PRI, SIP trunk at our office. So you can save your infrastructure cost here. All the features generally you are using in case of in-house setup, all are available in SmartFlow. You can make a dial out call to your customers. You can receive your call from the customers. Call can be transferred, call can be whispered, call can be bargain feature is, or call bargain feature is also there. Also, we support API integration so that you can integrate this with your applications like CRM, SMS, WhatsApp, etc. Also, we are offering multi-level IVR and call broadcasting by this proposition. all the incoming and outgoing calls can be recorded for your audit and training purposes, and you can find your complete CDR reports and missed call information as well. So this is a very good solutions for work from home. Why to have our smart flow? First, anytime, anywhere communication. It allows business mind to go farther from their cubicle, free employees from their desk, allows employee to communicate on the go. This is a cloud solution. Second, it reduces operational and capital cost. No bulky infrastructure and storage, only cloud and phone is required. It works across devices from landline to smartphones. No infrastructure and maintenance cost. Enterprise grade security and reliability, RESTful APIs, that is click to call and number masking, business continuity with 99.5% uptime, customizable admin portal and access right for the individuals. Get business intelligence, that is reports and analytics to track agent oblique project progress within a click, call notes, live calls and data insights. Also, voice to text, keyboard mapping, keyword mapping, and sentiment analysis can be done through this particular product. It is on demand scalability, ultra flexible, enables you to adapt quickly, work efficiently in challenging business conditions. It enhances your customers' overall experiences by providing seamless and frictionless customer experience. AI manages call routing with smart IVR menus, plug and play API integrations with multiple applications. Also, we are providing free demo for this particular product, that is Smart Flow. So if anyone is interested, they can ping to us, write it on the chat box, and we can arrange a demo for this particular product, that is Smart Flow. So why to have our Smart Flow? One is inbound solution, second is click to call solution, missed call solutions, and OBD solutions. So all these solutions we are providing with Smart Flow. Inbound solutions, we have TFN, multiple level IVR, virtual number, user input and API integration, click to call solution, click to call panel or a website, OTP based calling, number masking, COD verification, missed call solution, SMS based services, OTP based calling, missed call with outbound integration, OBD solution, DTMF based outbound blast, unlimited routing level integrations of outbound and inbound flow. So this particular product is known as Smart Flow. So one of the case studies, so basically a mid-sized BPO with 500 agents working across multiple projects, processes like customer services, lead management, vendor onboarding, and document verification. So benefits was to which customer had got was how to scale up the business outcome across multiple lead generation campaigns and customer services process, how to ensure security of customer data while agents are calling from work from home. So how SmartFun can solve their challenges? First is hosted contact center offers complete call center operation management, which features like blended queue management, built-in CRM integrations, agent panel, call barging, prioritizing call back, sticky agent, and also sentiment analysis and detailed analytical and reporting. AI manages call routing with smart IVR menus, and customer privacy is ensured by number masking. So this particular product is known as Smart Flow. This is a cloud-based. This is basically our cloud telephony solution, which is 100% hosted solution, and there is no infra required like EPBX and physical connectivity like PRI and SIP trunk. So again, key benefit, it is an innovative product, best reach, it is bundled service, best SLA, transparency, that is self-care portal you will get. Moving on to the next product. So that is, as the name suggests, Zoom. So we have done a partnership with Zoom. So some partnerships are game changing. Again, this this we have done because we want all the small medium enterprise or SME customers to get all the detailed things, whatever is required in ITITS to the same vendor, that is TTBS, and from the one stop from the one umbrella only. So Tata Teleservices partnership with Zoom. As a leading provider of digital solution, Tata Tele Business Services has a deep understanding of customer needs in SME and enterprise segments, and our partnership with Zoom will provide business with high unified communication solutions. So with this solution, business can put all their communication concerns to rest and gain access to the best of both the worlds, including trusted services and user-friendly interface and robust security. So Zoom Solution Suite. So we have two types of products. One is Zoom Meeting and Zoom Webinar. So you can host online events up to 100 interactive video participant and 10,000 plus attendees. Automatically, it records events for use and publish. It broadcasts your event on social media, integrate with marketing solutions to simplify workflow and enjoy unlimited audio for VoIP and global dial-in for 120 plus countries. So this particular webinar also is done through via Zoom webinar only. Also, we have Zoom meetings wherein we can have the normal Zoom meetings. Some of the advantages are one is TTBS, like I already told you, one-stop shop for SMEs, robust security, trusted service, and user-friendly interface. So TTBS has a range of services, solutions, and offerings empower SMEs and help them accelerate their digital journey transformation. Also, robust security, it protects all your meetings with the multiple layer of security, that is password protection, rule-based security, and waiting rooms can be leveraged for more secure meetings. Trusted services, managed services, and reporting by TTBS with comprehensive SLAs, user-friendly interface that is simple, easy to use, product and tools for seamless collaboration across office and home working spaces. So some of the features of Zoom product. So basically is security. It protects all your meetings with multiple layer of security, password protection, role-based security, and waiting rooms can be leveraged. Second is advanced data protection. All your data is protected as communications are established via 256-bit TLS encryption. All is shared content is used by AES 256 encryption. So all your advanced data protection is there. Unlimited meetings, operate with no constraint and schedule as many as meetings you require without worrying or added price. Live transcriptions enables seamless cross-cultural interactions by using our in-meeting transcription features that ensures participants are never separated by language barriers. Privacy. Zoom was designed from the group ground up to support user privacy and incorporates the policy and controls to protect your information with care it deserves. Cloud-based recording. Recording can be stored either locally or via Zoom cloud-based storage facility. You can also have marathon meeting sessions with an upper limit of 30 hours on individual meeting. Customers can go on meetings and calls for as long as these situations without worrying and disruption. Identify management. Zoom supports all major enterprise identify management platforms and can map attributes to provision users to different group of controls. It also gives you remote device control, business intelligence, and also important is superior meeting experience. By superior meeting experience, Zoom services features high HD videos, interactive meetings, background noise, and continuation performance optimization, all which contribute to a superior web conferencing experience of your own. So IoT portfolio coming onto the last but the important portfolio, that is IoT portfolio. So we have smart fleet tracking, school bus tracking, workforce tracking, and asset tracking. So smart fleet tracking, we have good transport. Companies can use is cargo and logistic, manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, cold chain logistics, people transports. It is school bus tracking, school and colleges, IT and ITS can also join in. Workforce tracking, marketing research, FMCG, services provider, last mile delivery services, they can use or avail our workforce tracking. So workforce tracking solutions, you can also do a geotagging. Suppose you want your employees to be at a particular area. So and if he comes out that particular area, you will get a message. You can then do the geotagging as well. Asset tracking, you can track your assets. The segments are courier and logistic. Also, it has multiple stage processing, high value asset tracking. So IoT value proposition. So again, it is one shop, single solution provider for all your need. That is devices plus connectivity plus desktop or mobile applications. Google Maps. We can use Google Maps to give you the best of your experience. Intuitive applications and in-house applications, which is intuitive and meet customized requirement. Integrated sensors, a host of sensors like fuel sensors, temperature sensors, etc., can be installed without any hiccups. OPEX model, you don't have to pay upfront for any devices, pay in monthly or on the annual rental mode. So all these particular products we are having all the solutions, whatever is required by the SMEs, and that too under a single umbrella. So with this, I come to the end of the slide. So you can get the latest updates. That is from tatatelebusiness.com. You can log into our website, tatatelebusiness.com. And you can also subscribe to LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Also, you can visit us, write us through our handles. That is at the Tata Telbiz, at the Just Do Big, that hashtag time to do big. So with this, so that is from my side. Hope these smart solutions will help you to improve your operational efficiencies and growth. So if you have any questions, I would be happy to answer you. With this, I would like to thank you and thank you for attending this session.
Thank you, Amit sir, for such a wonderful session and the insight on smart solution, security, smart flow, Zoom, and IoT portfolio. So we come to the last but important section of the event, which is answering your queries. So I would request all the attendees to please post your queries in Q&A box. We will take each of the queries one by one.
Right now, what we can see is we don't have any question. So we wait for for 30 to 60 seconds more and see if anybody is there to have any query. Amit and Anil both are here to answer it.
So meanwhile, I repeat, as you know, Amit sir mentioned, you can visit to our and subscribe on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram pages. You can subscribe on at Tata Televiz at Just Too Big also. You can jot down our number. Toll free number is 1800261800, or you can mail us on bo2bizbig@tatatele.co.in.
Anil, your voice is not clear. If you can repeat it again, na? Your voice is not clear.
So I would request each of the attendees, you may have any query. If you are not able to compile any query right now, you can call us on 1800-266-1800, or you can mail on toobig, TOBIG, toobig at tatatel, TATATEL.co.in.
Thank you, Anil. Thank you, Amit. We don't have any question right now, and request you all. Thank you for participating, and going forward, we will be going to have some feedback form on feedback question on your screen after we end this program, webinar. And the moment you receive that, please submit your feedback. It is very valuable to us. It will be it will make us to understand how to improve our webinars and our product slides. Thank you, Amit sir. Thank you, Anil, for the wonderful session. We are ending the webinar here.
Thank you, Swadesh. I would request each of you to please stay safe and eat healthy and be healthy and take care of your loved ones. Thank you so much for the participation.